Here is Shenzhen. It should be a very rural area of Shenzhen. It's this district is called Guangming New District. It's close to Dongguan City. And here I found a boat that have some one-tin advertisement. You can see here that it said the salary per hour is 16 to 26 RMB, and monthly you can get around 5,500 to 7,500. This is for electronics, basically electronics. And here for some back-end jobs you can earn 18 hours per hour. And for CNC operator you can get 18 or 17, 18 for boys and 17 for girls. This electronics is 19 RMB per hour. And it includes your meals and your living. You mostly live in the factory and eat in there. This for free. So basically, you can earn around 6 to 7,000 RMB per month. This drone company is at 20 RMB per hour, and also have age limit is 16 to 50-year-old. Yeah, I found this. This is for temporary work, part time. Part time is 23 RMB per hour. But its basic salary is 22,550 yuan, and for overtime is 21.39 yuan per hour. For Saturday and Sunday is for 32.86 yuan per hour, and for public holiday work is around 40 yuan per hour. And also it's very interesting. I said it can accept primary school, and also for limit on age is 16 to 48. Even if you have tattoo, you have been to jail, or you have hair dyeing, or you are the ethnic groups of E ethnic group, it's also can accept. So from here you can see the basic salary income of local workers in Shenzhen. See, mostly similar. This is for Xiaomi mobile phone factory manufacturing, and Xiaomi the wrist rim and the watches is for 20 yuan per hour, and have a limit on age is 16 to 40, and you can rest 2 to 4 days per month, like that. For testing and instruments operation have 11 to 12 hours per day, and you live in a six-person room with aircon, with hot water for shower, like that. This is for part-time is 276 yuan per day for part-time. And here it demands you that you can bring your mobile phone and cigarette when you on work. So like that. Yeah. So basically, it's quite common here that the salary for normal worker here is around 6 to 8,000. But I think if you can get 8,000, it should be a very high income comparing with the usual worker here. And you can find that in Shenzhen or in Dongguan city that mostly the factories are very busy area, and people live in the industrial area, and there are so many factories that close with each other and share the same space like that. So for living is quite convenient, and like so many people can feel that when you already used to the life in China, especially in Guangdong, the Pearl River Delta, you will feel that if you live in the US or in like Europe, you feel not so convenient because there are so many 24 hours running stores and restaurants like that, and yeah, that is what you can imagine, right? And there's so many different kind of stores everywhere, and you can buy things very very affordable price. Okay, that's all. This is just I just walk around in this industrial area of Shenzhen. Okay, bye.